Whalebone is designed in a way that allows you to immediately start securing your users. The basic settings are to be found and adjusted in Configuration, where you can completely manage the DNS resolution as well as Whalebone security functions. In the first tab, you can customize security functions. You can set up the sensitivity threshold or entirely deactivate blocking. You can also choose the threats that will be blocked. The default setting is made specifically for the needs of ISPs. You can also create your own blacklists and whitelists, activate blocking required by your local government's regulation, or set up a content filtration. There are countless security policies you can create and assign to the IP address or range in question. Under DNS resolution, you can adjust the behavior of each resolver. Besides other things, you can enable IPv6 communication towards authoritative name servers, forward all or a subset of requests to desired upstream DNS resolvers, or add static records. There's also an option for advanced scripting of the resolver behavior, such as restrictions or blocking of bad payers. The link above the entry field leads to our thorough documentation. The next tab contains the configurations of your own blacklists and whitelists, which you can, later on, apply to security policies. Use these lists in case you want to limit or allow access to particular domains, be it for individual users or the whole network. The last part allows you to manage individual blocking pages. You can fully customize their content, create different language versions, or individualized designs for specific IP addresses or ranges. For more information, check our video about blocking page customization.